Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this flower shaped frame on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to get this and I'm just going to go to the video bit. I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to select the circle and I'm just going to copy this like around 4 times. Actually I'm going to create like 5 times. Like that, and I'll add one in the middle, and I'm just going to move this up a little bit. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and then you're going to select mask and you're going to select circle and you're going to select invert, and you can just add your image in that circle like this. And then you can mask that again. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!